Welcome to HelloDoc, the internal search optimization tool. We will begin this demo by logging into our account with a username and password. Once logged in, create a new folder by entering a name in the text bar on the right, and select between whether it will be a public or a private folder. Next, click the three dots on folder icon and click Upload. Then upload files to select documents to upload into the folder from the saved files on your computer. You can also delete or rename this specific folder. Once uploaded, you can then continue to search the documents for the specific information you are looking for. This is done by clicking the magnifying glass on the left-hand corner of the screen, which will bring up a list of pre-generated questions that pertain to your document. By clicking on the questions, you can find the answers to those queries as highlighted text within the uploaded document, as seen here. To enter your own question, use the text bar at the top of the screen. This new question will appear in the Search Results tab on the left side of the screen. After searching the document, a list of results will appear that will help in answering the question that was entered. Click on each individual question to see different parts of the filtered document. By clicking the Similar Questions button, a list of questions similar to the entered query will appear. This will help HelloDoc provide a more specific result for your search questions. By clicking directly on the file name as seen on the right, the document itself will be opened to the specific page where the information is located. You can also use the search feature to upvote certain questions. This will ensure that HelloDoc generates questions similar to these in the future, and will bring them to the top of the generated questions list, as seen here. You can also edit certain questions which may be necessary if you would like certain information to show up when the same question is phrased differently. Click the icon on the top right of the question and edit the question as seen here. Make sure to click Save Changes after doing so. If you have any further questions regarding HelloDoc, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you for your time.